Hey everybody, so I want to show you how I pre-cook some things for dinner so that while I'm doing my work, doing a Facebook Live with lots and lots of people for an hour and 15 minutes, I'm cooking dinner at the same time. So the Facebook Live was at 5:30 my time. At 5:20, I took a chicken and I cut the tops off of 2 garlic bulbs, which is like the whole thing. And I put oil on the bottom, put oil on the chicken, put oil on the bulbs, and I rested the chicken on the bulbs and I put it in the oven at what is probably 160 Celsius. It's probably around 300 or a little less. In Fahrenheit, is that about right?
350.
No. 350 would be 180, so it's less. So lower heat, because I knew I was going to be on the live for like an hour and 15 minutes, an hour and a half. It's slow cooked, like a rotisserie thingy going on. I put some white wine at the bottom, and it just cooked slowly and happily. And you can't really overdo it in that way because it's just cooking while you're doing your thing. And then now I've heated some homemade chicken stock, liquid gold. I told you how to make it. And this is pearl couscous. And then I'm just pouring that in there in the couscous chicken stock. I have put this 1 part to 1 part. So 1 part of pearl couscous and 1 part of chicken stock, some salt, some butter, and really it only takes about 5 to 10 minutes. I'm gonna put this back on a low flame, and there you are with some cheese, with some bread that already got taken out to the dining room. It's just about putting it in the oven. What do we always say, Jared? Stick it in the oven. Stick it in the oven. Low temperature, you can have a glorious chicken ready, and while you're doing your marketing, growing your business.